A good axis must be made entirely by hand. The bamboo used to make bamboo knots is usually 3 to 5 years old with a diameter of about 1 centimeter. Indo-Calamus bamboo has good toughness and good reducibility. It is more suitable for making bamboo slips. Indo-Calamus bamboo cannot be used immediately. It should be cut into 1 meter long bamboo sections and should be used for more than 1 year. The shape of bamboo is curved, which requires manual alignment of this key. How to test is also a key to test the craftsman's craftsmanship. The craftsman should be able to sense the softening degree of the bamboo pole during baking with his bare hand. In the process of baking with fire, he needs to teach the rapier 5 to 6 times repeatedly to ensure the rapier system. If the test is not in place, the bamboo fiber inside the pig liver is not solidified, and the straight key will rebound automatically, affecting the accuracy, over-baking, carbonization of the bamboo pole, and no toughness. It is recommended that the liquor section is difficult to use. This degree of control depends entirely on the experience and feeling of the craftsman, which is a great test of technology.
Since 2014, we have started to focus on the processes and industries that are about to disappear. Our intention is to retain information for the future and retain first-hand image materials.